icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you click on color. Then you go ahead and change the background color of this design to purple. Alright, the next thing to do is to click on the middle icon, click on import. Then you'll be directed into your phone gallery to bring in your background design. Alright, so this is the background design. Just go ahead and select it from your gallery, then you import it into Pixellab. Now once you've imported it successfully, just come to the bottom panel, then click on relative size and increase the width and height to 100%. Then after that, you click on opacity, then you go ahead and reduce the opacity of the background design to, let's leave it at 16%. Alright, very good. Now the next thing to do from here is to click on this icon at the top right corner of your screen, then you click on this lock icon. Alright, so after that, the next thing to do is to click on click on text, then you write the brand name of the flyer design, which is this. Then you click on this double D to change the text to uppercase. Click on OK. Now the next thing to do is to come to the bottom panel, then you click on font. You go to font and give the text a particular font. So the font you are going to be using is called Bugalo Regular. So go ahead and select it, then you click on OK. Now so go ahead and bring the font here. Now you see this circle showing at the right side, this circle that I'm touching right now. You just gently move it like this. Do you understand? Then you can increase the size a bit, then you place it here. Now you go to size, you go ahead and increase the size of the text to 87, and you place it here. Alright, very good. The next thing to do is to click on the plus icon again, then you write the tagline. So this is the tagline. And you click on OK. So you bring this down here, you reduce the size just like this, then you place it just under the brand name. So you go ahead and click on style, you italicize this, then you go to font. So the font you are going to be using for this text is called Roboto Condensed Regular. Alright, good. So you place it just under this very well. Okay, now the next thing to do from here is to click on text again, then you write this. Then you click on this double T to change it to uppercase. You click on OK, then you bring this down here. You reduce the size a bit. Now you place that there. Then you go to font. So you go ahead and give the font, the text, this particular font, Roboto Condensed Regular, and you click on OK. So you click on style, then you bold it. Alright, now you go ahead and select, you go to the color tool. Now the color for this text is orange, so you go ahead and pick an orange color. So we are going to be going for this orange color, and you click on OK. Now the next thing to do is to go to the background tool. So go ahead and select the background tool, you enable it, then you come under the color and give it a white color. Alright, now the next thing to do is to increase the left padding. First of all, increase the left padding to 10 and the right padding, let's leave it at 8. Alright, now we come to radius and increase the radius, so let's leave it at 8. Alright, good. Okay, go back to the background. So you increase the top padding, increase it to 3 and the bottom padding to 3 also. Okay, so after doing that, you move this up a bit. Now the next thing to do is to click on the plus icon down here, then you write the list of services. So this is the first text that will go under this place, then click on OK. So you go ahead and reduce the size just like this. you can use this circle I'm touching right now, this circle, to increase or reduce the size. Can you see how I'm doing it? If you don't want to use the font size too, you can use this icon to reduce or increase the size. Alright, so you place it just here. Okay, good. Now the next thing to do is to click on this, then click on copy, you place this here. Alright, then you click on edit again. Now you select this old text, then you delete it, then you write the other list of text and click on OK. Alright, so that's how to go about that. So these are the list of services. Alright, very quickly, the next thing to do is to click on the middle icon, click on shapes, and go ahead and select a square shape just like this. You give it a white color, then you click on OK. Now you resize the shape just like this until it gives you something like a rectangle. You resize it just like this and you bring it to the bottom of the flyer. You place it just here. Alright, good. Now the next thing to do is to click on click on text, then you write the contact information, the contact details. And you click on OK. And you bring this down here, you reduce the size just like this, then you place it here. Now you can see that this is a white text color. Now you select the text, then you go to the color tool, and you go ahead and select, you give the color, the text rather, you give the text a purple color so that it will be visible to work with, and you click on OK. Now you increase it just like this, and you come to the size tool and increase the size. Alright, now you go to the font tool and you go ahead and select Roboto Regular for the font, then you click on style and you bold it. Okay, now you click on size, increase the size to 24. Okay, let's leave that 25, then you click on OK. And the next thing to do is to click on relative position tool, then you click on this center icon to place it at the center properly. Alright, very good. Now you can use the position tool to adjust it a little bit. Now the next thing to do from here is to click on the middle icon, click on import, then you go ahead and bring in the resource material from your gallery, the resource material to be used. So you go ahead and select the headphone resource material, then you click on OK. Now mind you, the background, this is a transparent resource material. This is a transparent resource material. It's called a PNG image. The background of this material has been removed. Now once you've brought it into Pixellab, you reduce the size just like this and you place it at the right side. Now you go to the relative position tool. So we are going to increase the width to 56 and the height to 52, and you click on OK. So you place this just here. Alright, so click on the text, the brand name, then click on position and move it up a bit. Click on the tagline, go to position and move it up a bit. Now click on this and move this up a bit also, then you click on this. So what I'm doing right now is a principle of design called alignment. You must make sure that all your elements in your design are properly aligned. So make sure you do that so that your work will look very neat. So you bring this up a bit also. Alright, so this is how to create this simple and beautiful flyer design using your Pixellab. The next thing to do is to save your design. To do that, you click on the save icon at the top bar, you click on save as project, then you save your design.